All right. All right. Oh, 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 hey. Yes, yes, yes. That's him. Cheers. So awesome. Just feed one. For me. Yeah. It's nothing gonna break my sky. I'm gonna get a one drop. I know. I ha ha. Wait for me. Let the heavy rain fall down. Let you see the struggle on my face. After it's all over. Familiar. I didn't think you could pay from the back. You have to pay. Do you have to stop the car like this to pay? Didn't let me pass the traffic light. Do you have to stop the car in front to pay? Is that reasonable? I'm blocking you. I won't pay. What about the back? You have this time to pay for a few seconds. Now it's my longing. What kind of car is this? First time seeing it. Too mysterious. Little yellow ha 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 ha. Sorry. Sorry to bother you. I'm going to eat. I'll say hello to you. Understood. Understood. Bye 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 bye. I want to ask, which moron designer designed this? This blind person is paving a tactile paving. You're paving this for them. You're tactile paving again? What would you say to the blind person? Wouldn't you be in a ditch? This car's side slipped a little. Then the car in front pulls him a. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Oh, heavens. Wait, wait. I was startled. Damn it. You're driving so fast. Don't need him. He didn't use any strength. He didn't use any strength. He didn't use any strength. It's all up to your own strength. Hey, can't get down. Wait a minute. This is going to